Hello, Port St. Lucie. Welcome back to another episode of PSL Daily Download, your first stop to all things real estate in Port St. Lucie. Today we got a lot of stuff to cover, especially mortgage rates. So sit tight. I'll get to that in a minute. Before I get started, today is May 30th, 2024. Happy Thursday, or as others call it, Friday Eve, or as my son calls it, the last day of school in St. Lucie County. So excited for all the kids out there. Hopefully, traffic gets a little bit better without the school buses um, jamming up the traffic. So, uh, I'll start with inventory and then we'll move into the market because there's been a lot of movement there. So, inventory has not really moved too much. Total inventory. So, we started the month, at 2368. We are at 2383. So, we're very close to ending the month where we started it. So, we're only down 0.25%. Homes under 375 are up 1% or just over that. And homes above 375 are down 0.68. So again, not a lot of movement across the board. Now, where we are seeing movement is properties that have been reduced and coming off the market. So properties that are currently reduced started at 683 at the beginning of the month, right over there, and we are currently at about 623, so a drop of about 8.78%. So that's a big drop. All right. And then homes that are listed on the market for rent increase from 401 to 448. Again, pretty sizable increase, about 11%. So getting close to 12%. So a lot of movement in those buckets, but overall inventory has not changed too much. So we'll see where we end. We're going to jump on Mortgage News Daily's daily rate survey website. And this is again as of closing of the last business day. I finally said it again correctly. I always get jammed up there. They had the 30-year fixed rate at 7.34, which increased throughout the day yesterday of 0.06%. They had the FHA at 6.85 at the end of the closing yesterday, which was up 0.03%. Okay. Now, I am getting interest rate updates already for this morning, and it looks like they're considerably down. They're about 20 something basis points lower than closing yesterday. So we're definitely seeing a lot of price improvements this morning than yesterday. So whoever did not lock yesterday, you may find some opportunity to lock at a lower rate today. So again, I don't know if it's going to drop further or it's going to sustain or go up, but it is better today or as of right now. So we'll see where the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P are all showing down right over here. Okay, the 10-year is also down at 4.56, which is down 0.064%. And again, that's probably the reason right there that we're seeing better pricing. Again, a decrease of 1.384%. Okay. So that's a sizable drop, and that's again we're seeing that reflected on mortgage rate. So why did this drop? So again, not to get too technical, but today the GDP numbers came out, and also unemployment came out. It looks like last quarter, the I guess it was a revision, and the number of growth was actually dropped or lowered. And this quarter, I think, or last month, it's at 1.3, which is at expectation. And then the unemployment numbers came in better than expected. So again, I don't understand exactly why the market reacted this way with that information, but they did. So they're seeing something where they're repricing to the downside, and then obviously mortgage rates and inflation, which go with the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield, also dropped. So they're seeing something there that maybe inflation is either being a little bit better than expectations. All right. So other than that, I don't have much more to go. It's later in the morning, so today's a busy day going into this weekend. I know last weekend it was Memorial Day, so there wasn't a lot of open houses, and I saw a couple that were canceled because of the long weekend. So this weekend seems to be a great weekend. I did want to remind everyone that I did put out two videos this week with two interview videos, sorry, with real estate agent Mindy Hackett from Berkshire Hathaway. She's here in the Treasure Coast. So one of them was for the first time home buyers. I released that one yesterday, and then a couple days ago I released the April market report for Port St. Lucie. And those two videos are out. I highly recommend a listen to that, especially for the first time homebuyer. That was a great conversation. It's kind of, again, if you want to be a fly on the wall, kind of listen to what mortgage and real estate agents talk about and kind of topics that come across our desk and what we try to do. That's a great interview to listen to. So hopefully you get some value from those, and hopefully you got value from this video. And if you did, again, please don't forget to click that like, that subscribe button. I'm going to go ahead and add a video right over here for you, so you don't have to wait till tomorrow to watch my to hear me again. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic Thursday. Celebrate the kids' graduation time, and I will see everyone here tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.